Good morning, dear students. As a support to the Zoom class that we had this morning, where you may not have understood some things and you want to ask again, or some of you may not have been possible to attend the class, and then you want to learn it again. For that purpose this video is being made. So it's an expansion or continuation of a extension of the Zoom class we had this morning. The class we discussed about adverb phrases. In the previous class we had seen about adjective phrases. When an adjective modifies a noun, so automatically an adjective phrase also modifies a noun, gives extra information about a noun. And then a phrase is a group of words without a subject and a finite verb in it, and it cannot give complete sense or meaning. So an adjective phrase, or what we are going to see now, the adverb phrase, by itself it cannot give us any complete sense, and it has no subject or finite verb in it. Now let's see what is this category, the adverb phrase. Adverbs, we know, modifies a verb, gives us extra information about a verb, additional information about a verb. So an adverb phrase, also like an adjective phrase, gives extra information about a verb. An adjective phrase gives extra information about a noun like adjective, and an adverb phrase gives extra information about a verb in a sentence like an adverb. Is that clear? Now let's look at this. He works abroad. While talking to somebody, your friend, you ask about his brother, and your friend says he works abroad, he is abroad. Now, he works abroad. Works is a verb, and abroad is telling us where he is working. Where he is working. So, it talks about the place of his work, about this action where is it taking place. Now, the expanded form of this abroad is in a foreign land. The expanded form of this is in a, so this becomes the adverb phrase of the adverb abroad. So we can rewrite this sentence by saying he works in a foreign land. That's how an adverb phrase is used in a sentence. Now this tells about the place, so it is adverb phrase of place. Now let's look at the next one. The car is going very fast. The car is going very fast. Is going is a verb, and how does it go? Fast. This is what is the adverb, and this is what is the verb that is modified by it. So this fast is telling how this action of going takes place at a very high speed, quickly or swiftly. That's what is a word that is used there. Now the expanded form of fast is in a fast manner. So you can rewrite this sentence by saying the car is going in a fast manner. So that is the adverb phrase, or that is how this adverb phrase can be used in a sentence. Since it is telling about how, it is called adverb of manner. Next one, I want the answer now. I told you in the class, the teacher is telling a student, give me the answer now, I want the answer. Okay, now want is a verb, now is a adverb that modifies this verb, this action want. When does he want? So when he, we deal with time. So this is an adverb of time. Now can be expanded at this very moment. This is the expanded form of now. So this is the adverb phrase of this adverb that deals with the time. So this is adverb of time, this is adverb phrase of time. Then we have, she goes to her parents often. Think of a girl staying in the hostel and studying, or working, or married and gone away. Now, very often, now and then, she visits her parents. She goes to them to see them. Now, how often is what is being mentioned? How many times? What is a frequency? Regularly, how many times at a particular time? In a week, in a day, in a month, in a year, like that. Frequency. Okay, so often, every now and then. This is adverb of manner and this is adverb phrase of manner. Okay, so this is what is basically we have to learn about adverb phrases. Okay, please go through that materials in your textbook which I had sent the pages. You have all these and a few more examples are given there. Okay, how from adverb phrases are made and used in sentences. Is that clear to you? Okay, adverb phrases, phrases that are used in place of adverbs, that is to modify a verb. There are various types of adverbs are there. A few of them we have seen here. If it talks about the time of action, it is adverb of time. If it talks about the place of action, it is adverb of place. If it talks about the way, the manner, the method, how it is done, then it is adverb of manner. If it is how often, how repeatedly something happens, it is adverb of frequency, like that we have. So please learn them, go through that study materials that I have sent and please do the exercises. If any doubts, as I usually tell you, please contact me over the phone or through WhatsApp. I'll be able to help you. Thank you.